Guys, I'm starving and there's nothing in the cafeteria. I vote we all go to Subway.
I'm in.
Are y'all crazy? We will get after school detention and we will get caught. We're gonna die.
Lauren, it's gonna be fine.
It's not that big of a deal. We'll be back before break even ends.
Fine, but if we get in trouble, we won't.
Look, Lauren, the golfer guy's not even out here.
I seriously don't even know why I hang out with y'all. Y'all always suggesting we do bad things.
Lauren, stop complaining. We're gonna be fine.
You have to have something fun to look back on in your life.
Whatever. Guys, I'm out of gas.
Well, Lauren and I don't have our license.
I don't know, I guess we have to walk.
It's not that far. It's well. Alright.
Okay, guys, I really don't think we're headed in the right direction right now.
Okay, we can't be that far. We've been walking for like 30 minutes. Does this look somewhere up ahead?
Does this look right to you?
I promise. It's like right up here. Keep going straight.
If you say so.
I was a Girl Scout when I was younger.
Watch out.
Guys, we're seriously lost.
What was that?
Did you hear that?
We're gonna die.
I told you
gotta get
that
out
when
of
we
here.
started
You gotta get
going
out of
here.
here.
It's not my fault. You all on the subway. Really? Really? Yeah, I'm telling you. It's all you. This is really on you. You're the reasonable one in our group. Why didn't you tell us not to go?
Come on, we gotta get out of here.
I don't know. We gotta go. We gotta go. I wanna leave. Let's go. Go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Faster. Go. Oh my gosh.
Oh, we made it.
Thank the Lord. How long have we been in? 5 minutes.
Are you serious?
It felt like a little longer.
It felt like
30
hours.
minutes. We still have time for Subway.
I'm so glad we made it out. Oh, there's Subway.
I told you.
Are you serious?
Y'all should listen to me more often. I think it was worth it.
Oh yeah, definitely.
Yeah, definitely. I believe you guys now.
Where y'all coming from? It looks like Subway. Where are y'all's ID? Don't you want to show everybody your pretty faces? I tell you what, y'all go ahead to class because y'all learning is more important to me writing you up, and I'll get with you later. How about that?
Okay. Thank you.
Y'all disappointed me. I didn't think y'all would leave school. Go ahead, I'm watching you go to class.